Hi, kindergarten. For lesson 15, we are going to watch one of our Eureka math videos, okay? So get ready, and here we go.
Hello, mathematicians. I'm Mrs. Chandrasekhar. Today, we are going to be learning about Math Stories 2-8. For the math lesson today, you'll need your whiteboard and dry erase marker and 8 cubes. Pause the video to find your materials and press play once you found them. Guess what, friends? Guess what? Today, we are going to play a gravity game. And for the gravity game, first, we need to put on our imagination hats. So, let's put them on. Tie it. Now, with our imagination hats, we can see that these are not just cubes. They are space rocks. Let's find out how many space rocks we have. We'll find out by counting, of course. As I put each cube into my cup, count. Ready? Count. How many space rocks do I have? Show me with your fingers. That's right, we have 8 space rocks. With our imagination hat, we know that this is not just a whiteboard. It is a picture of sand and the ocean. Give me a thumbs up if you've ever been to the ocean. I've been to the ocean too. And at the ocean, you know that there's a lot of blue waves. And next to the ocean, there's some sand. Usually, it's kind of yellow or brown and a little green. Well, for our game, we're going to shake our space rocks, pour them over sand and the ocean, and then we'll see how many space rocks are in the sand and how many are in the ocean. And then, you guessed it, we'll write some number sentences and make number bonds. If you're ready, touch your nose. I'm ready. Let's shake it 8 times. We'll count all together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's pour it out. What happened? How many are on the sand side? If you know, show me with your fingers. That's right, there are 3 space rocks on the sand side. How many are on the ocean side? If you know, show me with your fingers. That's right, there are 5 space rocks on the ocean side. Think, think, think. I wonder, how could we make a number bond about our story? I want you to lean into the computer and tell me how we can make a number bond about our story. I'm listening with my ears. Eight is the whole, because that's how many space rocks there are all together. 3 is a part, because that's how many space rocks are on the sand. And 5 is another part, because that's how many space rocks are on the ocean. 8, 3, and 5, whole, part, part. If you also said that, give me a thumbs up. Great job, friends. Now, pause the video and draw your number bond. Great job, friends. Now, let's put our parts and our whole into a number sentence. First, tell a friend in the room how you would write the number sentence using our whole and our 2 parts. Pause the video and use your words to talk about the number sentence. Great job. Now that you've said with your words how you're going to write the number sentence, write it. Pause the video and write your number sentence. Now, this is how I wrote the number sentence. I wrote 8 is the same as 3 and 5. Did anybody write it a different way? If you wrote it a different way, I want you to touch your ears. I see some of you touching your ears, so I knew you wrote it a different way. How did you write it? Lean in and tell the computer. Remember, I'm listening with my ears. I heard some of you say that you wrote 3 and 5 is 8. That would look like this. That's right too. We have the same parts of 3 and 5 and 8 as the whole. Great job, friends. Now it's your turn to play. I'll get you set up. First, erase your whiteboard. Is your whiteboard erased? Great. Next, take your marker and let's draw a line down the middle of your whiteboard like this.
All right, kindergarten, once you've drawn that line down the middle of your whiteboard, you will be ready to play. One side is the ocean, one side is sand. Do your best to play this game and have so much fun. We will see you in a little bit, kindergarten.